Today, we're sharing 5 powerful words that can make your speech more engaging and memorable. Let's dive in. Imagine. Meaning, encourages the audience to visualize something. In a sentence, imagine walking into a room where everyone is eager to hear your ideas. Why it's effective: it sparks curiosity and creates a mental picture that captures attention. Unveil. Meaning, suggests revealing something exciting or important. In a sentence, today, I'm going to unveil a strategy that will change the way you think about success. Why it's effective: it builds suspense and makes the audience eager to learn more. Transform. Meaning, indicates dramatic change and improvement. In a sentence, this one habit can transform your productivity overnight. Why it's effective: it appeals to the audience's desire for progress and growth. Discover. Meaning, suggests learning something new and valuable. In a sentence, you're about to discover a secret that top performers swear by. Why it's effective: it makes the audience feel like they're gaining exclusive insights. Elevate. Meaning, conveys improvement and moving to a higher level. In a sentence, this simple shift will elevate your confidence and communication skills. Why it's effective: it inspires action and makes the audience feel empowered. Quick tip: using words that evoke curiosity, transformation, and exclusivity can make your speech more captivating and engaging. Did you find this useful? Subscribe for more tips like this. See you.